Okay, the single paradiddle. We all know that a single paradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now the way I refer to that is it's an alternating paradiddle. A paradiddle is right, left, right, right. That to me is a right-hand paradiddle if I was just doing to the right-hand side. That's how I refer to it. And to the left. But before we can go to there, we need to understand the movement and how to obtain the accent on the first stroke of the paradiddle very relaxed and very effortlessly. And you know what is a prerequisite to understand this video a lot better, I did a few videos on control strokes and sticking positions, and now it's going to come into view where you're using this. Now, when I play a single paradiddle, it's alternating, right? I lead with the right, then I lead with the left. So my starting position looks very mechanical, and it's not, you know, when I play music with the band and everything is happening, I don't start off like this. What I'm doing like that is I'm demonstrating what occurs, or the movement or the motion you should be obtaining when you're doing a alternating paradiddle. Now, I have right, left, right, right, and then I have left, right, left, left. And there's an accent on the first stroke of each paradiddle. An accent meaning I'm going to play louder than this. So, I start like this, and my first stroke is going to be a downstroke. Now look at my sticks. Both my sticks are equal distant to the drum or drum pad. Alright, now my next stroke is going to be a left, but it has to be in an upstroke because I'm going to get in position to attack the up and coming action on my left hand, up. And then I have the next two rights, which is going to be just taps. I'm in position now to attack on the left side of the paradiddle. Down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap. Now, that's very mechanical, and I'm demonstrating what movement is happening when you're doing that. If I took the paradiddle and played that, it's very difficult for me to explain what's occurring. So I'm taking it way, way down in time. That's what's occurring. Down, up, tap, tap. Now you know that D is representing a downstroke, U is representing an upstroke, and T is equal to a tap, tap. So you could start off starting it from the PDF sheet. I didn't write out the downstroke, tap, or upstroke. So you could start first by just getting into your system downstroke, upstroke, tap, tap, downstroke, upstroke, tap, tap. Now when you do that for a while, you know, you get familiar with it, make it very relaxed, internalize that movement. It's just natural, something that, you know, you really don't have to internalize. It's just the laws of physics. You're staying in position to attack. Very relaxed and effortlessly. Now when I first started to do this, before I was able to play a paradiddle like so, I would sit there and play or say downstroke, but look at my hands, they're equal, upstroke, tap, tap, downstroke, upstroke, tap, tap. Now I'm going to set the metronome, for example. Let's say 72. Now each tick is going to be what I do. That's representing the quarter note, 1, 2, 3, 4. But now I'm going to go down, up, tap, tap. So I'm going down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap. It's very mechanical. I'm getting used to the feel of the movement. So I'm saying down, up, tap, tap. I'm going down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, Now you go to the numbers, the quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm consistent with my sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's a quarter note formation. Now, you know, you went from downstroke, upstroke, tap, 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 up, tap, tap, to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I'd like to do from that point, instead of playing the paradiddle just as quarter notes, I'm going to play eighth notes in the same tempo as 72. If I'm playing quarter notes, 1, 2, just as the quarter note pulse, then 1, 2, then eighth notes, 3, eighth note pulse, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, I'm going to take the paradiddle and do it in an eighth note formation that I take. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get down, up, tap, tap, tap. You shouldn't have to say that now. It's just 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay. So that covers the movement as downstroke, upstroke, tap, tap. Downstroke, upstroke, tap, tap. And then from that point, we're taking it to a quarter note formation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and relaxed. Equalizing the sound. Make sure the hands are correct. Very mechanical. We're not grooving or playing a tune or whatever. We're learning the mechanics of what occurs when you're performing, or executing rather, a paradiddle. Single paradiddle. So now we took it from down, up, tap, tap, to quarter notes to eighth notes. That was 1 with the tempo at 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now the next movement, or formation rather, you should practice the quarter note, get it down, and the eighth note, getting it down. And the next movement is a 16th note formation. The way we count in 16th notes is 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and so instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, the movement's going to be the same, but the thought's going to be different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to go to 16ths. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1. Now notice that E, the second stroke of that paradiddle, you're in position to attack the up and coming paradiddle. That's your speed stroke. When you're in position to attack and you're waiting to attack, you got the speed going on. Now, I have also on the PDF a para triplet, which we'll do in a second. But I like to do this as a tree, so to speak. I like to, or a triangle if you want, or a triangle, reverse triangle like so, and then like so. I do quarter notes, and I do eighth notes, then I'll do 16ths, and I'll do eighth notes again, back to quarter notes with the tempo, with the metronome rather, over and over again for a period of time. So I'm going to do quarter notes, eighth notes, 2 measures each, and 16th notes, and back to eighth notes to quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here you go, eighth notes. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 16ths. Then 1, 2. Back to eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Another measure. 3, 4. 2 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 16ths. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3. Again. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4. 1. Eighth notes. 3, 4. So on and so forth. Now I get a lot of feedback from guys. Not that that's an incorrect technique, but they send me a video of them demonstrating that technique. And they misunderstand the whole thing. They're doing a paradiddle like this. There's no upstroke in there. It's after the fact. It should be down, up. I'm waiting. This way here, I completed it. Now I have to come back up. That's going to slow me down. So it's down, up, tap, tap. You can't do this enough. So that takes the single paradiddle and quarter note formation, eighth note formation, and 16th note formation. Now, I was a little leery about giving the quarter note, the eighth note, the para triplet, okay? It's a nice feeling rudiment. It's a paradiddle, but instead of being in quarter note, eighth note, or 16th note formation, we take it into an eighth note triplet formation. We maintain the sticking pattern as the alternating paradiddle, but we're thinking eighth note triplets, like 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4, and again left hand 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the. I'm very exaggerating the movement when I'm doing it that slow. I'm reinforcing what's natural. It's the laws of physics. For every action, and now I just did a downstroke, I want to do an upstroke. It's the law of physics. For every action, there's an opposite reaction. So, if I took the, I don't know, let me try with the metronome, the para triplet. I'll try to do it at 100 for you. I don't like to play things fast when I'm teaching. So I'm playing. Now, 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the quarter notes. 1, 2, eighth notes. Triplet. 16ths. Again, back to triplets. Eighth notes. Okay.